Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will see the first step with Python. Means we will see the use of Python language, how to use Python language in program, and how to make simple program in Python. In last video we have seen the introduction of Python, what is the use of Python, and applications of Python. Okay, so let's start today's video. As you can see, first step with Python, we are continuously saying that Python is programming language, but we don't know what is program is. Okay, and how to write the Python program. Okay, so therefore let's start Python by understanding program. Okay, so first of all, to write any kind of program in any language, there is a need of software to install. Okay, like C++, Java. Okay, there is a need to install particular setup of that language, then you can write your program. So similarly, you have to install Python setup in your computer system, then you can write your program. Okay, Python shell can be used in two ways. Okay, we can write Python program in two ways. There are two ways to write Python program. First is interactive mode and second is script mode. What is interactive mode? Interactive mode is like a command prompt, okay, where you can give Python code, okay, Python instruction directly to the operating system and you can execute. While in script mode, you can open any editor and you can write the whole instruction of program in that file, and you can save that file with extension .py. Okay, so there are two ways to write Python program. First is interactive mode and second is script mode. So as I told you, in interactive mode you can write your code directly on command prompt and you can execute them, while in script mode you can write instruction into particular editor and save as a file with extension .py. Okay, so now let's start with interactive mode. How will you write? So first of all, you have to open Python editor in interactive mode and you have to write print welcome to Python. This is simple program where we have written the print statement, print, and in double quotation whatever you will write, that will be print as it is. Okay, so print welcome Python. Okay, just enter and you will see welcome to Python. This is the output. In interactive mode, no need to save the instruction, just you have to write and you have to interpret them. Okay, and you will see the output. While in case of script mode, what you have to do, in script mode you have to write your code in text editor. Okay, and you have to save with .py extension. For an example, the following lines and we have written in Python and we have saved with .py. Just keep in mind, when you write a program in script mode, then you have to save with .py extension. So for an example, we have written print welcome to Python. Okay, here we have written print statement and welcome to Python. Now we are going to save with .py. After saving this file, you can run this program. How to run this program? How will you execute this? So as you can see, C user, this is the your drive name where you have installed where you are going to run the program from. Okay, prompt. So whatever you have to write, what you have to write, you have to write Python and you have to write the name of file. My file name is my first program.py. Okay, my first program.py is the file name of Python programming. So when you run the program, you have to write Python and the file name .py, then enter, and then you will get welcome to Python. This is the output. So in this video you have seen that there are two ways to execute Python program: interactive mode and script mode. In interactive mode, directly you have to write the code and execute. Okay, there is a direct interaction of user with Python code. In the case of script mode, you have to write all the instruction in particular file and you have to execute them together. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt, you can write into comment box. So this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.